I'm Jonathan Chen, a motion graphic designer, and I've made it my side mission to create a light gun game. Today we're looking at bringing the heads up display to life with animation, and then integrating it into the game system I've built using ClickTeam Fusion. The interface was designed in Illustrator. I'm mindful not to overload ClickTeam Fusion with too many large graphic animations, which will add to load times and memory use for games. So where possible, I'll use the inbuilt animation properties in Fusion for basic transitions. However, I definitely want to add some of that motion graphics flair to highlight some of the key elements, such as the lives which were animated in After Effects. They were then rendered out as a PNG sequence. In Fusion, they have a good system for characters, which they call active objects, but I can also use them to store animations for each of the lives' statuses. The only annoying thing is that you can't get rid of the default statuses or even rename them. You can create new animation statuses, but they don't show up in the event editor, so you can't actually use them. Perhaps they'll address this in future updates. The same approach was used for the swing counter, and the same for the ammo, but that was animated in Cinema 4D as I wanted these to have a glossy 3D render. The last notable point is on non-animated text. These were easy to set up by using a couple of event condition rules. It's definitely coming together now. The heads up display has been added. The workflow of using Illustrator to design, then either After Effects or Cinema 4D to animate works well. It's great to see the compatibility of the image files exported from these programs into ClickTeam Fusion. Even if I still have to do a few workarounds, it's much better than Click and Play, their legacy software I used years ago. As you can see, the game is looking a lot better than in my first episode reveal, but there's still a lot to tidy up and incorporate. And I hope you'll join for the next devlog episode where I'll be looking at sound. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, give it a thumbs down. And hit that subscribe and bell icon if you don't want to miss when the game goes live.